Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Y'all look, I went short. Oh my gosh. So today I am rocking Sterlyhair. This is their Sterlyhair Glueless Curly Bob Human Hair Wig. I have it in the 4x4 closure. This of course is a transparent lace frontal wig. I also have it in 12 inches and 180% density. You guys, the curl pattern of this wig is super cute. The cut on it is super cute. This is definitely a wig where you could just throw on and go and run some errands. So if you want to see how I was able to achieve this look, then just continue to watch. So as usual, I'm just giving you guys a quick unboxing to show you everything that came in with this hair. Now once again, this is Sterly's Wear and Go Glueless Curly Bob Human Hair Wig. I have it in the 4x4 closure in 12 inches and 180% density. You guys saw that this wig does come with the adjustable elastic band, and it's also a dome cap wig, which makes the wig super breathable and more comfortable as well. You can literally throw it on and take it off all in the same day. You do not have to do no extra work. Also, just so you guys know, the color of this wig is a natural black color, so a color 1B. You can straighten this wig if you would like. You can also dye it if you would like. And the wig does come pre-plucked, but of course I bleached and pre-plucked off camera. But anyways, the cut on this wig is so cute, you guys, and those curls are so soft and they were super defined. Like, this is freshly out of a wash, well obviously after it air dried, but the curls are beautiful. So the first thing that I'm going to do is use my wax stick and my hot comb, because y'all already know I'm going to slick this baby back. Do not run the hot comb through the curls in itself. You only want to do it at the very front. Alright, so once the hot combing is done, I am going to get rid of that additional lace, which literally takes me like 2.5 seconds because this is a 4x4 closure. Just so you guys know, this wig does come in a 13x6 as well, and I do think it'll be really cute in a 13x6. But you guys know I love me some closure wigs. I love me some glueless wigs. So the point of this tutorial is to show you guys that this is one of those wigs where you can literally throw it on and go. And also, you guys, I think that this wig will be perfect for the summertime, especially like sundress season. Girl, throw on this wig, throw on some shades, beautiful. Or even if you're running errands and you want to throw this on really quick with a nice cute fit, beautiful. This is one of those type of wigs, okay? Now, I hope you guys was paying attention to that lace as well, because the lace melted. The lace melted right into my skin and I was shocked, but that's a good thing. So as far as styling the wig, all I used, you guys, was some water. I just used some water to help me finger detangle the wig. I also did go in with my detangling brush as well. And then I used some mousse to really set those curls. But once I add the water, you guys will see that those curls just popped. Like, the curl pattern in this wig is absolutely beautiful. So not that this lace needed it, but I'm just adding on some makeup to make it look a little bit more like my skin color. I always just like to do that extra step, but I am going to give you guys a close-up. You guys see this lace? Gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. And now I'm just doing the final touches with the hot comb as well, because I said I am showing off this lace no matter what. I do not care. This is my hair now. Alright you guys, that is all for today's tutorial. You guys see how quick and easy that was? This wig is so freaking cute. I can't wait to rock this in the summer. Like, put on a nice good sundress with my sunglasses and this wig. Absolutely gorgeous. Make sure you guys check out the description box. Everything will be right at the top of the description box for you. Thank you Sterlyhair for sponsoring today's video, and thank you guys for tuning in. I appreciate you, and I will see you guys next time.